Right. Hold on. Okay.
So basically, I don't know anything.
Okay, don't know anything. Awesome. Okay, right, we'll start from scratch and I'll just cut this bit out. Okay, today we're going to do an experiment. We're going to do it the right way and the wrong way and have a look at the two different results that we have. And hopefully the right way gives us the best images. Yeah, I'm going to try and do the right way. And Sir's going to try and do the wrong way.
That's not what you promised me.
Yeah, okay, well that's going to be what happens. Okay, first thing you need to do is you need to arrange your ingredients. So you need vegetable oil, cheaper the better. Food colouring, you need some kind of effervescent or dissolvable tablet. You need a torch and some water. And obviously your jar that you can use to photograph it, which I just have got food colouring over.
Already?
Yep, already.
Wrong way, right way.
Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your water and you're going to fill your beaker or your jar up by about 1/8. Okay, so I'm going to do about 1/8.
Eighth, do we need to really measure that? Oh, come on. That's not that difficult, can it?
Okay. You have actually managed to get about 1/8 in there as well.
Say
so.
correct way to do it. Ignore this.
Okay, alright. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to put a few drops in.
You continue, sorry.
We're going to put a few drops of, about 5 drops of food colouring in. Now if we had a pipette this would be a little bit easier, but we're in the art department, not the science department, so we'll just try to...
Any colour?
Any colour is fine.
Which one would be better?
Whichever you prefer.
How many?
5 drops. Oh, that's far too many, but we'll see how it goes.
Doesn't open.
No strength.
5?
5. Okay.
50 is okay.
50 I guess must be okay. Next step with your vegetable oil, you are going to fill...
It's too messy. What are we going to do about this film?
You're going to fill the remainder of your container up with vegetable oil. So to the top. There we go. That'll do.
Is this enough?
Sure. Why don't we find out if it's enough? I'm going to be really upset if yours takes better.
I'm trying to be creative. I don't follow orders. Instruction is for dummies. I'm professional.
The next thing,
sure this is enough.
The next thing you need to prepare is your effervescent or your dissolvable tablet. Okay, because the reaction is quite quick, I find it easier if you snap it in half and half again, because then you can re-trigger the reaction multiple times. So
I didn't snap it. Is it edible?
It is edible, however, it is effervescent, so it needs to be in water, but you shouldn't really have it anyway unless you have a very, very bad headache. Aspirin, not very good for you, unless you require it or have been prescribed it. Okay, for the final part of this, I am just going to use my phone torch. Obviously, you guys will have cameras to use for this. Place it underneath your jar. Okay, that's looking pretty cool. Okay, not too bad. And I'm just going to get the lights.
What about me?
Last part, now we want to have our reaction happening. Do you have a torch?
Wait. I think so. Yes.
It's going to get water damage though.
No.
Okay, yours is much more difficult to see through, but we'll see how they go. Okay, whenever you're ready, when you have your camera set up, what you're aiming to do is you're going to use the zoom and alter shutter speed to try and capture the reaction in process. You're going to need quite a high shutter speed of somewhere between 1 and 100 and 1 and 400. And for the zoom, you need to distance yourself probably about this far away and zoom in. The reason being, if you try to get very close to capture the reaction, our cameras in school, the lenses aren't good enough to pick up action that close. They're not macro lenses equipped for this. So,
I didn't understand the word. Can we just drop this in?
Yes, let's just drop this in. Okay, so when you're ready, when you have your camera set up, away you go. Let's see what happens.
Just gonna crush it because I'm gonna. It's bubbling.
Okay, yours is bubbling. So the reactions start to happen. So this is the moment that you want to try and get your pictures. Okay, funnily enough, yours is actually looking better than mine at the minute. Let me try and add a little bit more into it.
Totally correct way and wrong way.
Either way, however it's worked out.
Why didn't I put more oil?
Whether it's looking like mine or like this, then good luck taking your pictures.
Mr. Williams, have you looked at that part there? Can you just actually...
Yeah.
Ta-da!
Maybe not this one.
I love it.
There we go.
So cool.